Hello, I'm going to show you how to master aiming and recoil control in Bodycam. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's improve your aim and win more gunfights. First, go into your settings and adjust your mouse sensitivity. A lower sensitivity usually gives you better control, especially when tracking enemies and making small corrections while aiming. Alright, spend some time in the shooting range or practice matches to learn how each weapon behaves. Every gun has different recoil patterns, so don't just hold down the trigger and expect every shot to hit. When firing at enemies, use short bursts instead of spraying continuously. Pull your mouse slightly downward to control the weapon's vertical recoil and keep your shots centered. Also, avoid running and shooting at the same time. Stop moving for a moment, aim down sights, and focus on landing the first few shots, because accuracy is extremely important in Bodycam. And that's how you master aiming and recoil control in Bodycam.